Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to repair Roland A300 Pro MIDI keyboard. The problem with this MIDI keyboard, it doesn't connect to a computer through USB and it doesn't turn on. No matter I fiddle the switch, but still it doesn't turn on. It says disconnected on the computer screen. Let's open inside and check the motherboard. Unblock all loose connector. First of all, let's check the socket connector, which connect the USB to a computer. This connector is broken inside. There should be 2 pins below and 2 pins above, but the above pin has become crooked. So let's remove this socket and change with a new one. Here you will see the difference between the old one and the new one. Now we have changed the USB socket, so let's fit it back and check. Now power is coming, and we have a connected screen on the monitor. Now we will check with the sound. Now the MIDI keyboard is working fine. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos update.